9 incredible drinks to help repair nerve damage, further condensed. Dealing with nerve pain, tingling, or weakness from nerve damage is challenging. Nerve damage disrupts signals between the brain and body. While medical treatment is vital, specific natural beverages can support healing. This article details 9 drinks rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote nerve regeneration and reduce symptoms, boosting nervous system health. Point 1. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is valued for its catechins, powerful antioxidants that mitigate inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in nerve damage. These compounds shield nerve cells from free radical damage. Green tea also improves blood flow and oxygen supply to the nervous system. This enhanced circulation aids in nerve repair and regeneration. Regular consumption offers neuroprotective benefits, supporting overall nerve health and recovery. Point 2. Turmeric golden milk, nature's anti-inflammatory elixir. Turmeric golden milk uses the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin. Curcumin diminishes inflammation and oxidative stress, critical for nerve repair. By reducing inflammation, curcumin soothes nerve pain and accelerates healing. Golden milk includes turmeric, milk, and black pepper, which contains piperine to boost curcumin absorption. This soothing remedy supports robust nerve health and repair. Point 3. Beetroot juice, the circulation booster. Beetroot juice supports nerve health due to its nitrate content. Nitrates convert to nitric oxide, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to nerves. Enhanced circulation is vital for nerve repair, ensuring nutrient supply. Beetroot juice is also rich in antioxidants like betalains, which safeguard nerve cells. Its anti-inflammatory traits help reduce nerve pain. Consuming fresh juice fosters nerve repair. Point 4. Blueberry smoothie, a burst of neuroprotective antioxidants. A blueberry smoothie is powerful for nerve health due to the high levels of anthocyanins. These flavonoids shield nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries help preserve nerve function and promote repair. Blueberries also enhance cognitive function, supporting the nervous system overall. Blending them with ingredients like chia seeds adds essential nutrients for nerve nourishment. 5. Chamomile tea, the calming nerve soother. Chamomile tea is a soothing beverage recognized for its calming and anti-inflammatory traits, helping to decrease nerve pain and inflammation. Compounds like apigenin induce relaxation and lessen anxiety, aiding pain management. Drinking it before sleep improves sleep quality, essential for nerve repair. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory action reduces swelling, fostering a comfortable environment. Regular use offers gentle support for nerve health. 6. Bone broth, the structural building block. Drink bone broth delivers benefits due to its rich content of collagen and amino acids. Collagen is fundamental for repairing the myelin sheath, the nerve's protective covering. Amino acids like glycine support the rebuilding of nerve tissues and reduce pain. It is also a source of key minerals vital for the nervous system. Drinking bone broth regularly supplies components necessary to repair damaged nerves. 7. Ginger tea, a stimulating anti-inflammatory remedy. Ginger tea bolsters nerve health through strong anti-inflammatory properties from gingerols and shogalls. These compounds reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells, crucial for those with nerve pain. Ginger tea also improves blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves, promoting repair. Its warming effect offers comforting relief. Consistent consumption supports nerve health and pain reduction. 8. Dark chocolate cocoa, the flavonoid protector. Dark chocolate cocoa is beneficial due to its high concentration of flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants protect nerve cells from injury and assist in repair by reducing oxidative stress. Dark chocolate also improves brain function by enhancing blood flow to the nervous system. For maximum benefits, choose cocoa with at least 70% cacao. Enjoying this drink is a comforting way to nourish your nervous system. 9. Aloe vera juice, the vitamin-rich healer. Aloe vera juice is rich in essential B vitamins, including B12, vital for maintaining healthy nerves and supporting repair. These vitamins aid in myelin sheath maintenance. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling around damaged nerves. Its soothing effects can alleviate nerve pain and discomfort. Choose pure juice without added sugars. Incorporating it supports nerve repair and vitality. Summary and next steps. These 9 drinks offer a natural strategy for supporting nerve repair with essential nutrients and anti-inflammatory compounds. Integrating beverages like green tea, turmeric golden milk, and ginger tea into your routine can proactively enhance your nervous system's function. Would you like me to find a simple, step-by-step recipe for ginger tea?